Hello everyone, we will share 3 new lessons today. From now on, I will try to share at least 2 or 3 lessons every day. In our last lesson, we prepared relationships. First, let's enter a few sample data into our product table. Go to product table. First, the product name is Apple. The number of stocks is 150. The price is €2. Image URL, the image value may remain empty for now. We can only write test and description. You can also write test in the description. We will add pictures here in image URL and we will add description here next lessons. And finally we need category ID. The apples category should be fruit. What's fruit category ID is 1. Okay, and that's why we should write 1 as the category ID. Okay, now let's enter our second product. Our second product may be orange. Stock count is 200. Price €3.50. Okay, image URL test, description test, category ID 1. Okay, good. And third product is strawberry. Stock is 100. Price €5. Image URL test, description test, category ID 1. Good. Fourth product is potatoes. Stock is 360. Price €1 and 80 cents. Image URL test, description test, category is vegetable for 2. Good. Fifth product is banana. Stock 50. Price what's price? €3. Test and category 1. Good. Sixth product is cook. And stock is 100. Price 1 cook can be €1. Image URL test, description test, category ID must be drink is 3. €1 and we can change €1 and 25 cents. Okay. Seventh product is an apple pie. Apple pie stock is 20. Price €4 and 55 cents. Image URL test, description test, category is dessert 4. Okay, and final product maybe water. Stock 500 and price €0 and only cents. How much cents? 35. Test and water is drink. Okay, our product is ready. Good. We have completed the product entries. Okay, let's stop here. We will continue from here next lesson. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.